Hey, this is the first video on my new channel. It's my Airsoft Collection. I'm filming it because I keep seeing all these videos of people who go on and they show off their Airsoft collections. So I decided I would do one when I saw this little kid, probably 5 years old, made one about his little shotgun and pistol, whatever, it doesn't matter. So yeah, this is my AK-47. It was the first automatic gun that I have. It's got a 160 round magazine, foregrip, hop-up is in there. It's all metal, and yeah, these two are the same. They're AK-74Us with extendable stocks, 160 round magazines, pistol grips, tactical rails, a lot of them. Yeah, they're both identical. That is a shotgun. I'm not really sure what kind. It's got, I think it's a 60 round magazine. It's a good mag. 4 tactical rails all around the sides. It's mostly plastic, but it's weighted and it feels really good. That's a FAMAS. It's pretty cool, but I prefer it to be black instead of clear. The cock originally broke, so I had to make one. It has a silencer, which is right there. That's probably the crappiest pistol I've ever had. I think it's like 120 FPS. It'll go like 10 feet and then turn a right angle and fly far away. It's yeah, it used to be clear and orange, and I painted it, and now it's pretty much a movie prop. I use Crossman white .2 BBs for all my stuff. That's a snub-nose shotgun. Again, I don't know what kind it is. It's 350 FPS, 60 round magazine, tactical rails on the top, safety, all plastic. That's my pride and joy. It's Maruzen L96 sniper, bolt action. It didn't come with the camouflage on it. I bought camo tape and taped it up. The scope didn't come with it either. I put the scope on it. It's from a 22. It's just a rifle scope, really. And that's my collection. So most of the videos that I see, all they do is show off their collection, but I think that I'm actually gonna go shoot the guns and show you what they do. Yeah. Maruzen L96. Auto shotgun. Snub-nose shotgun. AK-74U single fire. AK-74U automatic. I'm just gonna finish it off with the Maruzen.